Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix a mechanical pencil jam fast. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 5 things that you can try out to hopefully fix your mechanical pencil jam faster than ever before. Oftentimes when people get their mechanical pencils jammed up, they just give up and throw them out and get new ones. But most of the time you can solve the problem pretty easily. The first thing that you want to try to do is remove the eraser and try to retrieve the rod that is stuck. So remove the eraser, okay, or the cap, however you get to the barrel right here, and you want to try and retrieve the rod that is stuck. If it's long enough, and if you have a pair of like tweezers, you might be able to get it out, and pulling it out this way is probably going to be easier if it's jammed up than pulling it out that way. And if there's any additional rods in there that aren't sort of in the barrel, like loaded up, you want to just pull them out anyways, because it makes it easier to solve the problem and easier to work with the pencil to get it working again. Number 2 is to hold the pencil upside down and press the clicker mechanism. So hold the pencil upside down and press the clicker over and over again. Now this mechanical pencil is working, as you can see, but if yours is jammed up, sometimes you need like an anti-gravity. So like you want it to go in the reverse way when you push the clicker, and that will hopefully get it unjammed. So try that out. Push it down, hold it down, do it all while it's upside down. Number 3, try to push the rod through the part where it's actually loaded into. So it depends. If your rod is jammed in there, then you want to try and push it through there. So essentially you want to press and hold down on the clicker and then get something that fits in there and try and push the rod through there manually. It's similar to how you would, I'm going to pull some of the mechanical pencil out. It's similar to how I would be able to hold this down, hold the clicker down and pull this out, right? It's similar to that, but you're pushing it through. If it's jammed up, it might just work. That's number 3. Try to push the rod through while holding the clicker down, okay? Just give it a try, it might work. Number 4 is essentially to hold the clicker and try to push the rod in reverse. So let's say your rod is all the way out here, your pencil rod is all the way out here, and it's jammed up. You can hold the clicker down and you can try and push this in reverse. So you want to try and push it the reverse way, just like this, okay? You want to try and push it in reverse. And then if that helps out, then maybe you want to click it down again, right? Click it out again and then hold it down, hold the clicker down and try and push this in reverse. Just see if that will unjam it, because sometimes the pencil rod has a little nick on it and that's causing the jam. So you want to maybe try and get that pencil rod out and then try a different pencil rod, right? You want to give it a try. Last but not least is number 5, which is to essentially shake the mechanical pencil, push the clicker down, push and hold it down, and do a combination of those 3 things. So shake it while you push the clicker down over and over again, right? Or shake it while you press and hold the clicker down, okay? Just try that out and see if that works. Now, most likely one of those will work for you, and then you'll be on the road to using your mechanical pencil once again. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.